what's up, YouTubers? It's the Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today I'm showing you guys how to play this old, awesome, funky TLC tune, Waterfalls. It's great for beginners. We only have 4 really easy chords. Okay, so we're in standard tuning. We got a D major. The song is in D. 1, 2, 3. Got A major. 1, 2, 3. C major. And G major. 1, 2, 3. Well, yeah, if you want to play along with a record, you can use these chords exactly the way they are, but you got to put a capo on first fret. Okay. All right, so here we go. D major, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, A, 2, 3, 4, C, G. So D is straight, and you push A, push that, straight on C, push on G. Verses, we can bring it down, do a little picking. And then we bring it up. Come on. There it is. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Thanks for tuning in, guys. What a fun, easy song, right? I'll see you tomorrow with more great classics. Be safe. Thank you.